The choices we all make in our daily lives greatly influence our carbon footprint and affect sustainability for future generations. At Textured Coatings of America, we're aware of the impact our actions have on the environment and the future. That is why we've spent countless hours of research and development making the most sustainable, greenest paint and coating products on the market. TexCoat, a family-owned business that's been manufacturing high-performance coatings for over 48 years, is the first paint and coatings manufacturer to be granted a patent for heat-reflective wall coatings and incorporate post-industrial recycled content into our products. Our coatings have protected everything from retail stores such as Lowe's, Kohl's, and Target to FAA control towers, some of the world's largest bridges, and countless residential structures. Our flagship product, Coolwall, is a revolutionary coatings system that helps reduce the impact our everyday actions have on the environment. Coolwall has heat-reflective properties that reduce surface temperatures and provide for cooling energy savings. This heat-reflective technology also leads to increased durability and fade resistance, greatly reducing the painting cycle. The Coolwall system has been recognized by prominent LEED accredited professionals as being worthy of submission for LEED credits. Coolwall has already been documented as contributing toward LEED points on silver and gold certified buildings. Traditionally, white paint has been used to keep the exterior of a structure cool because it reflects much of the sun's radiation back into the atmosphere. Dark colors have always been more aesthetically pleasing, but have led to extreme heat buildup. Imagine a city where every building had to be white in order to realize any real impact from reflectivity. Now, with Coolwall, you can experience the environmental benefits of reflectivity without sacrificing color and visual appeal. Thanks to the patented infrared heat reflective technology behind the Coolwall system, even dark colors can now be cool. This technology is the same infrared heat reflective technology used by the U.S. military to reduce radar signatures on its planes and vehicles. Sunlight is white light made up of all the colors of the spectrum. There are two main components to the sunlight that reach the Earth's surface: visible and infrared. Visible light makes up approximately 43% of the spectrum and is the light we see as color. Infrared light, which makes up over half of the spectrum, is invisible and does not affect color. It does, however, have an effect on the amount of heat buildup on a structure's surface. Absorbed infrared light is converted to heat, warming a structure's surface and surrounding areas. Light colors reflect infrared light, but darker colors absorb it, causing surface temperatures to be significantly higher. TexCoat's Coolwall system works by reflecting much of the infrared light back into the atmosphere, lowering surface temperatures by up to 40 degrees. To demonstrate Coolwall's revolutionary technology, we painted two wall surfaces on the same residential structure in the identical color. The wall on the left with conventional paint and the wall on the right with Coolwall heat reflective coating. As you can see by the image captured with infrared photography, the surface temperature of the Coolwall side has been reduced by 37 degrees in comparison to the wall coated with conventional paint. The reduced surface temperatures achieved through Coolwall's heat reflective technology translates to energy savings due to reduced cooling costs. In a study by the U.S. Department of Energy's Oak Ridge National Laboratory, Coolwall was tested and proven to reduce cooling costs by up to 21.9%. An immediate benefit of using the TexCoat heat reflective Coolwall system is the resulting cooling cost savings. This technology, however, provides for long-term benefits as well. Heat accelerates the degradation and fading of exterior coatings, but Coolwall coatings stay much cooler. Their color, adhesion, and other physical properties are greatly extended. Reduced heat buildup means less expansion and contraction stress on the coating due to thermal cycling. Additionally, the Coolwall system incorporates patented fade block technology, that is virtually immune to the effects of harmful UV radiation, which include degrading paint, fading, and chalking. The panels you see were tested in a xenon weathering chamber, the harshest accelerated weathering environment for any coating film, utilized primarily by the automotive industry for auto paint. The 5,000 hours of testing that these panels have undergone is equivalent to 10 to 12 years of southern exposure, or a much longer period in northern climates. In fact, here at TexCoat, we constantly examine the durability of our products with our own test wall. The color of the two products shown matched identically at their time of application, but after only 12 months of real-time sun exposure, the non-heat reflective side has already faded dramatically. Increased reflectivity and the extended product life cycle translate into a reduction in the carbon footprint, making Coolwall a true green exterior